All right, how you doing today? Today we're talking about Plugin Boutique. They have this survey going on right now, and you do get a free plugin if you fill it out. Check your email from them if you're on the email list, or you can check the link in the description below. I'll send you to the survey. They're asking questions about if you would be interested in WordPress plugins and video editing plugins. Just go through here. So it leads me to the speculation that they are obviously looking to do that, or they already have plans to do so. Effects for After Effects, Premiere Pro. Would you be interested in buying video or visual effects from Plugin Boutique? Yes, definitely. And then which video editing software do you currently use? When I filled it out, I actually don't use any of these, but I put CapCut because I have used it. They don't have my software in here. And about WordPress websites as well. So my speculation is that they are, planning on doing WordPress plugins and visual audio. Obviously, they want to be doing the survey about it. But once you do fill out the survey, you will get the free version of the Bloom Drum Machine, which is the Lite version. It's not free. You'll get it for free. But the Bloom Drum Machine Lite, which is a stripped down version of just Bloom Drum Machine. And I've made some videos on this before. This is super cool. All the Bloom instruments by Excite Audio are rather interesting. And this is the drum machine one. But anyways, check it out. Let me know what you think. And let me know in the comments below if you would like the WordPress plugins. I put yes, because I use WordPress. I don't use any of the video software editing they use, but they are called Plugin Boutique. So having other plugins would make sense. I don't know, yeah. So anyways, yeah, let me know what you think. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.